What if trusting the wrong credit expert could actually cost you huge progress on your credit journey? We're talking setbacks that could last for years. That headline that you probably saw on your YouTube feed, credit scores just changed forever, well, it's not actually news. It's marketing, and pretty misleading marketing at that. Here's the good news though. This isn't just another hyped up fear-mongering YouTube video. Remember that video I made back 5 months ago calling out the same guy when he claimed Donald Trump shut down the CFPB? Yeah, that was back in April, and here we are approaching October. This isn't just another YouTube debunk either. We're doing a deep dive into how Mike the credit guy misleads thousands of people, and why his claims about TransUnion and dispute beefs are actually dangerous if you care about real credit management. Here's the thing, the scarier the headline sounds, the more likely you are to click, panic, and buy whatever they're pitching next. But what you don't realize is you've already been scammed of your most valuable asset, your time. Pay attention to the wrong people, you lose years. Pay attention to the right ones, you'll start moving the needle in your favor. Tonight, I'm going to show you exactly what's actually true, what's pure hype, and what really moves your score in the real world. So, did TransUnion really just change the rules forever? Or is there something much deeper and way more important happening behind the scenes? Stick around, because what you're about to learn will cut through all the hype and could save you years of financial headache. Now, why should you listen to me? I'm Andre Nguyen, founder of Pinnacle Credit Repair. I live and breathe credit reports every single day. My firm has handled thousands of cases across all 3 credit bureaus, from doctors denied mortgages to multi-million-dollar real estate investors locked out of loans. Unlike YouTubers trying to sell you affiliate links, creating content out of a spare room of their Section 8 apartment, I run a professional operation built on actual consumer law, AI technology, and real client outcomes. My channel has over 169 documented case studies, no cherry picking, no fairy tales, each randomized by geographic location, age, and demographic, and genuineness of the individual credit report. So when I tell you the claims about TransUnion changing scores forever are flat out misleading, it's because I've checked the data, and I've read the forecast, and I've seen what really happens in the credit industry. So let's tackle the claim head on. You just saw the video, credit scores change forever thanks to TransUnion. The problem starts right there in the title. TransUnion is a credit bureau. They don't create the scoring algorithms lenders actually use. TransUnion can't, by itself, change credit scores forever. That's like saying the librarian changed the plot of the book. They catalog your chapters, but FICO and Vantage score write the grading system. The librarian can't rewrite the story. Content creators love throwing around words like breaking, massive, change forever. But most of the time, that so-called rule is just an old concept with a shiny new thumbnail. Models get updated. Lenders pick which model to use. Data flows a lot faster than it did last year. None that equals some secret switch being flipped by one credit bureau. So here's what's actually happening. Industry changes are slow, transparent, and involve all 3 credit bureaus. We're talking about medical debt being gradually removed, rent reporting becoming more prevalent, buy now, pay later data being added, and new buy merge mortgage rules where lenders use 2 out of the 3 scores. These are gradual, predictable shifts, not sudden overnight changes. Here's what these creators don't tell you. TransUnion is a bureau. They collect and report your data. They don't create the scoring algorithms lenders actually use. FICO and Vantage score do. So saying TransUnion changed credit scores forever is like saying the librarian changed the ending of a book. They can shelve it, they can catalog it, but they don't write the story. The reality, every documented change right now is gradual, industry-wide, and publicly announced. FICO 10 Advanced and Vantage Score 4.0 are rolling out slowly. The buy merge mortgage requirement, it applies to all 3 credit bureaus as of late 2025 at lender discretion. Medical debt being phased out across all bureaus after CFPB rulemaking. Not dramatic, not exclusive to TransUnion, and certainly not forever. So why do these videos go viral? Simple. They weaponize your fear. They hit you with urgency. Scores just changed. They stack it with FOMO. Act now or get left behind. Then they dangle the miracle tool, dispute beast mode hacks, or some sketchy subscription. Here's the dirty secret. It's a funnel. They get your attention with anxiety, hook you with exaggeration, and then pitch you on products that rarely work. Dispute Beast, for example, charges $50 a month for AI letters. No BBB accreditation, mixed reviews. Some people claim quick boost, while others saw 0 results or even score declines. And legally, the FTC is pretty crystal clear. If a negative item is accurate, no letter, AI or not, can magically erase it. That's not innovation, that's manipulation. Here's how to protect yourself. Ignore the emotional hooks. Verify claims with real sources, such as annualcreditreport.com, CFPB announcements, or the official press releases from FICO itself and Vantage score. And stick to proven fundamentals. Pay on time, keep utilization low, limit hard inquiries, and monitor your reports from the official site. If you need to add positive data, use real rep reporting services that actually work with the bureaus. At the end of the day, no, TransUnion didn't secretly change credit scores forever. Scores are models. Bureaus simply supply data. Lenders choose which model to use. Industry changes are gradual, not dramatic. The bottom line, protect yourself with boring, proven moves and keep your attention on facts, not hype. So let's anchor ourselves in facts. The real 2025 trends are boring, slow, and transparent. Small growth in credit card balances, stabilizing delinquency rates, gradual adoption of new scoring models, more rent data, and buy now pay later accounts showing up in reports. That's it. No secret switches, no sudden overnight penalty for millions of people. Which means if your score just dropped 70 points or more, it wasn't because TransUnion changed the rules forever. It was probably a balance update or a new inquiry, or a different scoring model being pulled. Now imagine this. Instead of panicking every time a YouTuber screams, breaking change, you stay calm. You check the official sources, and you know exactly what to do. Here's how. On-time payments, always. Miss one, and you'll feel it for years. Keep balances low, under 10 to 30%. That's your fastest lever for score improvement. Limit new inquiries. Don't shotgun apps. Check your real reports at annualcreditreport.com or spend a pretty penny at myfico.com, not third-party apps. And dispute errors with documentation. If you need help with that, you can hire me. Add positive data smartly. Rep reporting helps if it's legit. Don't fall for fake hacks. Do these consistently, and instead of chasing hype, you're building a bulletproof credit profile. One that lenders respect, and one that gets you approved.